Introducing the biggest wall clock in the market right now, the LED digital wall clock. This is how it looks, as a package as it comes, as it is. So let us open and see what's inside. What comes inside with it? So inside we have a 75 centimeter long by 20 centimeters wide, a very, very big wall clock, LED wall clock in specific. Very beautiful. It comes cushioned, well protected to avoid any injuries or malfunctions. We don't want that. And inside as well, it comes with a charger, specific charger, and a wireless remote. Very essential for you to run it. So let's open it, let's unwrap it. Let's see what it looks like. Wow. Very big in size. For those guys who want a very visible LED digital wall clock, that's how it looks. 75 centimeters long by 20 centimeters wide. In practical, this is how it looks in real life on an actual wall. Red, bright red, detailed numbers, very bright, very easy for the consumer to read. Makes it easier on a day-to-day activity. So here we have hours, seconds. It also shows the temperature, the date, month. That's how special this digital LED wall clock is. And why not have it in your special's home?